Welcome to our YouTube channel, all about ideas. In this video, we showcase 38 innovative ideas for outdoor clotheslines and drying racks that will help you save precious indoor space while taking advantage of the fresh air and sunshine. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, these solutions are perfect for anyone looking to dry their laundry efficiently and sustainably. What you'll discover: space-saving designs, compact and foldable clotheslines for small outdoor areas, DIY projects, step-by-step guides to create your own clotheslines and drying racks, eco-friendly solutions, benefits of air-drying clothes and how it reduces your carbon footprint, stylish options, aesthetic designs that blend seamlessly with your outdoor decor, durability, materials and designs that withstand various weather conditions, versatility, clotheslines and racks suitable for different types of garments and laundry needs. Installation tips, easy installation methods for different outdoor spaces. Maintenance, how to keep your clotheslines and racks in top condition for long-term use. House with Garden Why Watch. Maximize indoor space. Free up indoor space by moving your drying routines outside. Cost savings, save on electricity bills by air drying your clothes naturally. Health benefits, enjoy the fresh scent and added cleanliness from sun-dried laundry. Sustainable living, reduce your environmental impact with these eco-friendly drying solutions. Hammer and wrench for all homeowners. Whether you live in a house with a yard or an apartment with a balcony, these ideas cater to all kinds of living situations and laundry needs. Lightbulb, join our community. Subscribe for more home improvement tips, DIY projects, and eco-friendly living ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your own outdoor drying solutions in the comments below. All about ideas.